тех людей, которые его организовывали, там уже не осталось. Но я подозреваю.
Ем сейчас, ем.
Рассказывай. Кредит, наверное, не могут тебе выдать. Опа! Прямо передо мной ёбнулся BMW шестерка с Витариком. О, регистратор записал. Ты-то, блядь, не сдавай назад, сейчас в меня врежешься. Ладно, все, сейчас это. О, женщина, блядь, с пальчиком. Ну ладно, ладно, да ладно. Все, я поехал в офис.
会员，这是什么车库呀？
你上哪看的？
啊？其实这种车库也不好，对吧？
你要找啥子？
我以为弄。
I want to go. No, I don't want to. Stop. Hear me out. Hear me out. Stop. Stop.
Shotgun French. Oh no.
Who's close?
Oh no.
How come?
Road raging like a motherfucker. That Jeep just threw a bottle at this white truck. The white truck kept swerving at him. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, nope, he's getting away from him. He's trying to stay away from him. Oh, there goes the Jeep. The Jeep's gonna go around and get him. Yo, look at the Jeep. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it?
I thought he was too.
He's trying.
Turn around with the Jeep.
He's trying.
Turn around. Oh, watch out.
I know, I see him, I see him.
I want that license.
They cut off that white truck. They started it and then they threw the bottle out the fucking window. Of course. Hey, dumb bitch. Sorry, I had to shift. This fucking dumb bitch.
Stop, because if she pulls in front of us, I'm gonna let her know I got her. So
yeah.
Don't let her cut you off.
Oh, I won't. I got this. Second gear. Hey, nice truck, stupid. You're an idiot. You're going to jail, you dumb cunt. You're going to jail. You're on video.
Real nice.
Come, hey, come swerve.
Throwing shit out the window. Throw shit out the window again, dumbass.
Hey, come swerve at me.
Come on, bitch. I know you can.
What are you doing? You should be watching. You shouldn't be driving at roads at those sorts of speeds.
Excuse me, I was doing 50 there, and you meant to get off your bike
No,
and wait
I'm
for
not.
me.
No,
No,
I'm
I'm
not.
sorry, we do not wait for bikes.
Good, well,
we
don't
would
then.
never get there.
Go on your way.
We would never get there. You are meant to look for us. It's illegal to be so close to the car. I'm doing 50. You didn't slow down, nothing. You're just going as if you're on your own in the world. You shared the road. And trying to avoid you, I went over that. That's how safe you are on the road for other people. You are not on your own. You look for cars and you slow down so they can get by. When you come into a narrow, you slow down so they can get by. You don't just ignore them like, you own the world. Selfish.
Laughing at? Who are you laughing at? Don't laugh at me. You've just near crashed into me. Wing mirrors.
Get off your phone now.
I'll put this hammer over your head. Kids are in the car or not. Don't laugh at me. You cheeky. Yeah. Do what the you want. Do what the you want. You silly. They're crashing to me again and laughing at me.
Движение одностороннее тут.
Выстенку, ёлки.
Ну вот, мама, мне 50 рублей. Тебе на обед не останется.
Да, обед? Что? Нет.
Чего?
Все равно ничего не ем. 700, да? 400, 500, 600.
У меня нету больше. 50 рублей.
700. Угу. Нормально. Нифига. Уехал со шлангом. Лошара, блин. Вот как вот их права выдать? Как ты, что
Таня! Ты прости, Танечка!
Арбуз он не кривой был, интересно? Ох ты, ёшкин кот, ударились.
куда садить.
Ну, блядь, ты чё? Ты чё? Я даже стоял, ты меня просто проехала. Чего? В смысле? Я стоял просто посреди дороги. Ты как же ты меня не видела? Я справа был. Выходи, давай смотреть. Ну нет, так нет. Расцарапала себе машину.